guys on Instagram. A lot of people have been requesting me to do different things on my channel, like reviewing this and that and everything, so I decided to come back to you. But first, I would like to thank all of the reality stars, the Love and Hip Hops, the Housewives of Atlanta. I would like to thank all of them for bringing wigs. Wigs are my new love. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do reviews. So this will be my first one. Actually right now I'm wearing Haggle. I'll be reviewing her in the future, but today's wig is going to be by Freetress Equal. Dun, 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 dun. By the way, I order all my wigs off of Amazon. Okay, so today's wig is going to be, like I said, by Freetress Equal. I think her name is pronounced HANIA. That's what I'm gonna go with. It could be HANIA, it could be HANIA, it could be HANIA. I don't know. HANIA, and I got her in a color 1B. Straight out the box, I don't know if this is just from the place that fulfilled the order from Amazon, but the stock card is kind of ripped up. I don't know what happened with that. But I mean, everything seems pretty attached. Pretty standard. So here's the stock card. I haven't taken it out yet. I'm actually gonna take it out, put it on my head with the lace on, see if I like it, and then we'll go from there. So here's HANIA lace deep invisible L part. It says the part is hand tied. And again, I got it in the color 1B, but there's a ton of colors that you can choose from, and she is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. So taking her straight out the box, I'm gonna take this off. Of course, it comes with the little, I don't know what this is called, but it makes me think of like the lunchroom lady at school, like when you're in high school or whatever. First impressions, she's super soft. The lace is super hard on this one, but I mean, I cut it off. Some people say that the lace, when it's hard lace, it bothers them, like their forehead, but I never had that issue with any of the ones that I've gotten. Off the bat, she's super soft, like I said. I mean, she clearly, maybe just the stock card was just ripped by accident, but I mean, because she clearly hasn't been worn. The lace is still on. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, pretty standard, and then the adjustable straps. But yeah, overall she's super soft. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll be right back. I'm going to put her on and then I will be right back. I'm back. That was quick, right? So quick. Yeah, so here is the wig with the lace cut off. I absolutely love this wig. This actually might be like one of my favorite wigs. Alex actually said this is his favorite wig thus far. I love it. I will say that this wig is what they would call big head friendly, which means that it fits someone with a larger head like perfectly. I don't have a big head. I actually have a very tiny pea head. I have a smaller head, so it is a little big on me, but it's not like horrible. I can tell like right here it's big, so what I would do, like normally, like when I actually go in to style this wig, I'll go in and like tighten it with a bobby pin. That'll usually do the trick. It's just a bigger wig cap, so it's gonna be big. Really, I have an issue like with every wig cap. I mean, there's only like a couple of wigs that actually like fit me like, oh my god, perfectly. I still am not like that wig guru yet to know like what wigs are small head friendly versus big head friendly. I literally just pick a wig that I love, watch someone else's videos and their reviews, and see how I will like it. That's really how I'm, you know, doing trial and error. So I'll show you the wig. This is the front, obviously. This is the side. Guys, I love this bang so much because in pictures you can be like, oh my gosh, are you kidding? Oh my gosh, stop. Oh my gosh. Here's the back. Look at the bounce. Anyway, so yeah, this is the wig. I absolutely love it so much. It's super light. I personally think this wig is just gonna be perfect all around. I'm not like a whole, oh, this is a summer wig, this is a winter wig, or whatever. Maybe because I live in LA. So on the back, when you get your wigs and your stock cards, if you're new to wigs, for this one, there's hair care instructions on the back, how to wash it, style it, products to use or not to use, wig storage, etc. And then on the front, again, it has the color. Like I said, this is the color 1B. And it has all the other colors, which I'm very interested in, a few other colors. But can we just talk about the fact that all these stock cards, like, why don't they just have like black, blue, brown, blonde, mother of pearl? Why do they have 99J? Like, why did they come up with that? Or OM23033, OM2730613. Like, who remembers that? What color is that? Anyway, that's my video for you guys. Again, I have missed you guys so much. It's so weird to be sitting here on the couch again and just having it as me and you, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos, and this video is just basically for those of you who love to laugh at me, regardless of whatever I post, and also for those of you who love wearing wigs, or those of you who've always wanted to try wearing wigs. I'll be reviewing different things, doing different videos, because I've truly missed you guys. It really feels like you're right here in front of me. And to all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you who are just checking out my channel, please make sure you turn on your notifications so that you know when I'm posting a new video every single week. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye! Ow.